Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Whoa, yeah. Be without you, be without you. I don't wanna live. Be without you, be without you. I don't wanna go without you, go without you. I don't wanna be alone.
Oh my God, it's so different now. Yeah, how they used to hate me, now they let me down. Yeah, I remember days of wearing hand-me-downs. Yeah, got it out the mud, they understand me now. I swear I'm just a young, no, keep counting up a check. I've been having fun.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kay, or Courtney if you did not know, and this is Crown Baller. First things first, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know when I have new uploads. And of course, follow me on all of my social medias. They will be on the screen as always, and if not, they will be in the description box below. I can't talk. I don't know what happened. Anyway, so let's get into this video. So if you've seen my wig prep video, I literally just filmed that, and I wanted to make it two separate videos. I prepped my head for a wig. I braided my hair back. So now it's time to install our wig. So let's grab her. Let's just go. Well, here she is. Here is my wig. This is a wig from Love and Hair Company. I do have an initial unboxing review on my channel, so make sure you go check that video out right now. I'll leave it in the cards above or in the description box below. Duh. I freshly washed her. This is supposed to be a 24-inch 360 Bodywave wig, but the bag said 22. We're gonna just call it 24. I let her air dry. And this is how she came out. The waves are really pretty though. Let me adjust my straps and put little baby on. Ooh. That's pretty. I like that. I don't even want to do that to little baby. I just want to leave her how she is. Okay, body waves looking like a little loose wave. I see you. Not to not bleach on this unit, and I did not pluck the hairline, so you know we got a little bit of work to do, but we gonna make it do what it do. Let's fold her back. I don't have a name for her yet. Can y'all leave in the comment section below what I should name her? Normally it'll come to me, but I haven't got anything yet. I haven't. Of course, I use my Got to Be Glued free spray. This stuff is magic, and it's literally the only thing that I use for my installs. So I'm just gonna spray it along my hairline. So I know y'all seen me struggling. I think that it's definitely much easier to do this when your face is not covered in makeup. I definitely would recommend that you put on your wig before you put your makeup on. I just wanted to be beat for y'all for the video. So I'm struggling now. I regret it. I did. So I'm gonna apply a second layer and then I'm gonna tack the wig down. So I think it's on for the most part. This little wave though, I'm feeling this little wave. Normally when you wash Bodywave, it just comes back basically straight with like a little crimp in it, but like this is giving me loose wave vibes. I mean, I was gonna do this like little ponytail or whatever, but like I don't even want to at this point. I think I want it to be like a little like deep. So I'm gonna curve my part. I'm gonna use my squirt bottle to kind of lay down this part. I'm gonna just lay this behind my ear because that's how it's gonna be. Along my hairline, it's kind of yucky and it's like really sticky. I'm gonna take a cotton ball and spray some water on it and clean that up. Especially today. I'm gonna do it light though, cause I don't want my makeup to. I'm not a big baby hair person, but I'm gonna pull some hairs out. I'm not gonna cut them. I'm just gonna pull them out. I wanna make sure I have my sideburns out. And then I'm gonna use my little squirt bottle. You're gonna need a brush for this look, okay? Courtney doesn't have a brush with her. I do not have a brush. I don't know where my brush is. It did not get packed. So I'm gonna use my comb. But this is the time where you use your brush. Don't be like me, have a brush. I'm gonna use this little brush. I'm gonna take some mousse and kind of seal it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna take some mousse and try to make these baby hairs. I think I don't do baby hairs because I'm not good at them, and I also just think that they don't look realistic. But I have seen some people's baby hairs that were realistic. I think that's the best I'm gonna get today. I'm gonna just let that be there. That's gonna be good enough today. I want this to be like a dramatic swoop though. So I'm gonna comb this forward. And pull out my sideburns and just tuck this behind my ear. So I just held that hair and then tucked. Use your squirt bottle because it'll help. Am I giving y'all Aaliyah vibes right now? Because that's what I'm seeing in this camera. Praise God. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to make sure everything is like uniform in the back as well on both sides. And then I'm going to take some more of my mousse and kind of like set everything in place. This is really, really natural, and I really like it actually. Ooh, this is really pretty. So if you were leaving it like this, you could, and you would just take a little piece of hair like this, and then just wrap it around your ponytail. But My name is Courtney and I like to be extra in everything that I do. I got a 24-inch bundle from Love & Hair. It is from Love & Hair. It is Brazilian Bodywave. It's 24 inches. So I'm gonna add this to my ponytail just to give me a little bit more length and to give me a little bit more thickness because like I said, I'm extra and I need more. Y'all, I'm not giving y'all Aaliyah vibes because I'm giving y'all Aaliyah vibes right now.
Swervo talk that dough shit. Swervo talk that cash shit. Money in that bad shit.
I'm not that hood. I'm not. I'm going to tie down the front of my hair for just a second. So normally when you put in a ponytail, you're gonna use the hairpins, the ones that are like open, like a U, they make a U shape. But I only have these ones. So we're gonna make it work. Let me turn around for y'all. I don't know how it's gonna look to y'all, so because I'm just feeling, I'm not seeing. So we're gonna just pray for this process. If you really want to be extra with your part, add a little bit of powder. I'm using my True Complex Contour Palette by Black Radiance. And lightly going against. It looked natural before, but if you want to, just to be, you know, just to be who you are. You could do that. You could do that, and then baby is she's natural. That's the end of this tutorial. I don't know why I just turned into a Spanish mommy. Like I don't know where it came from, but we're gonna keep this going. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this pony. I feel like Aaliyah, a Spanish mommy. Like I just feel so much. Honestly, I haven't eaten all day and I'm hungry. Yo, I hope that you all enjoyed it. I really wanted it to be detailed and full of plenty of everything you needed to know. Do y'all see my nails? I just wanted y'all to see my nails, really. I didn't even sleep last night, you know, I'm hungry. I'm delusional. It's fine, it's fine. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Like, yeah. I'm gonna go now. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much.